hapon. Yan ako dito sa school mo niyan. Happy birthday. Salamat sa opportunity na tinamo sa kuya ka. Mas time na nag-apply ako sa early pharma ka ito way back 2018 after graduation ko. Right after ng graduation ko, apply tulos ako. Sa tulong taon na pag-stay ko sa early pharma, dahulon akong na nakudan na imo sa mga pag-iba ko. Lalo na sa imo, sir. Wishing you happy birthday, long life, enjoy your day. Pero sana maugma. Sana matupad pa sa mga wish mo, sa business mo, sa family mo. Good health palagi, and God bless. More power to your business, sir. Sana dakol pang customer. And again, happy birthday po. Bye!
To the boss, who is strongest man we know, happy birthday, sir. In the past few years, saksi po kami sa kung anong struggle mo po sa imong butika. You are so brave. You're such an inspiration to us. Na maski anong mangyari, ano man ang struggle o problema sa buhay, kay puhan maging matatag, makusog, and igpang tiwala sa sadiri. Again, happy birthday, sir. Good health po for me. More sales to come. All the best. Thank you for being part of your company for almost 2 years.
Hi sir, it's me, Alona. Pagod na mo si Christine Hermosa din. Happy birthday sir Dan. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo sir. Sana i-bless ka palalo ni Lord. Sana palagi ka lang mabait para mas i-bless ka ni Lord. Tapos kantanta ka na sana sir. Happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Sir, saan kita dyan na ati panay. Matreat ka sir. So pamirindalan dyan. Patuson mo na sa natabi sir. So pansit ko buda sa lumpia. Tagihan ko dyan sa Earl. Sir, enjoy lang ka mo dyan. Miss ko na dyan sa Earl. Miss ko na dyan so malustredan ki takop kang bulong. Tapos dahil man na masara. Tapos pigtago mi sa imo. Tanganing arami madadagitan mo man sa nakaniserdan. Miss ko dyan. Miss ko man pati sa mga katrabaho ko dyan dati. Sila Ate Pani, Ate Sid, sila Ate Lisel, Samar. Miss ko na ka mo dyan. Sana pirmi ka mo dyan maugma. And sana i-bless ka mo dyan lalo ni Lord sa oral daw. Sana dakol ka mo perming benta. Tandi kita madagitan ni sir. Di ka mo madagitan ni sir. Adi, yun lang. Sir, happy birthday ulit. Enjoy. God bless you always. And sir, sa sunod na aki ko sir gibunta kaninong. Bye sir.
Hi Sir Dan, happy birthday po. Enjoy your birthday.
Hi Sir Dan, I wanna greet you a happy birthday. Aram ko 60 plus ka na pero garo daig ka man sana nagugurang. And wish you all the best, more success sa business mo, more power po. And good health, wish you good health. And long life. God bless po. Thank you, bye.
Hi sir, happy birthday. More birthdays to come and wishing you a good health. Happy birthday.
Hi Sir Dan, happy birthday. Thank you sa opportunity. Tinanong mo sa kuya na makapag-work sa Earth Pharma and sa trust na mag-handle kang mga bagay-bagay dyan. Thank you. Sana tuloy-tuloy ang operation kang Earth Pharma. Sana mag-grow pa. Tuloy-tuloy din ang trabaho kang mga tao dyan. And makapag-provide sa mga customer. Kita mambulong, na mura. God bless. Wish you all the best. Naging mabuting tao lang lagi ba? Char. Thank you. See you around. Bye-bye.
Hi Sir Dan, happy birthday po. more cakes to eat, more candles to blow, many, many more birthdays to come. I wish you an amazing happy birthday and hope that you have a healthy, great, and blessed life ahead. Have a wonderful year and have a fabulous year. Happy birthday!
Hi sir, happy birthday po. Salamat po sa pagtanggap sa akin kahit 1 month lang po ako dyan. I learned a lot. Thank you so much po sir. Happy birthday.
Hi sir, happy birthday po, and wish ko po ay sana po maging healthy po kayo lagi and always happy, and bawasan po ang matatamis para po dahil magtaas ang blood sugar mo, and gusto ko man po thank you since tanggap mo po ako sa Earl Parma para mag summer job. Nakulangan pong tabang sa kuya and sa parents ko ang nakukuha ko pong sahod, nakakatabang po sa school ko, sa salary ko man po. Thank you so much po, and sana po ako ka pa pong matabangan na estudyante, bako lang estudyante, pati po mga tao, and stay healthy po, and happy birthday. Thank you po.
Hi! Happy birthday, sir! First of all, gusto ko po mag-thank you dahil nagtanggap ka sa ipa-immersion kami dyan. And thank you po dahil patuloy ka pa rin na nagtatanggap na students na mag-immersion dyan sa Earl. And second po, gusto ko giraray mag-thank you dahil tinanggap mo po na nagpayag ka na mag-summer job kami. And sana po dakol ka pang matabangan, sir. So, ang wish ko po, sana stay funny, stay kind, and stay pogi. Iyadaday. Yan lang po. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. I miss you all.
Happy birthday po, Uncle. I wish you all the best and may God bless you and your family.
Hi Daddy! Happy birthday po! Today, we celebrate not just your birthday but the amazing life you've lived and the love you've given us. Sana po maramdaman ninyo kung gaano po kayo kaimportante sa amin. Salamat po sa lahat ng sakripisyo, sa mga payo at sa pagmamahal na walang kapalit. Kayo po ang inspirasyon namin kung paano maging isang matatag at mabuting tao. Alam ko po minsan nakakalimot kayo sa mga bagay-bagay, minsan pati kung saan nyo nilagay yung salamin o yung cellphone ninyo, pero kahit ano pa man ang makalimutan ninyo, never nyo po nakalimutan kaming mahalin at bigyan ng magandang kinabukasan. At yun po ang pinaka-importante. Happy birthday po ulit, at sana maalala nyo kung ilang taon na kayo. Char!
Happy birthday, Daddy! Alam ko you're very busy as a businessman. Pero I just want to say na I'm very thankful kasi you always make time para maging personal driver ko, kasi ikaw yung laging tagahatid ko pag lilipat ako ng dorm or tagasundo ko kapag ginagabi na ako umuwi. Aside from that, you're also our comedian. So, thank you for always making mommy laugh kasi lagi siyang natatawa sa'yo. Tapos, sometimes you're very strict. Pero gets ko naman kasi mahal mo kami kaya ganun ka talaga eh. Tapos, thank you for always being there. Sana makapagpahinga ka ngayong araw and I hope you enjoy your birthday. I love you and God bless po. Mwah.
Bam! Hello, Dad. Happy birthday. 63 ka na ata. Di ko sure. Pero di ka rin sure sa age ko kaya okay lang. Sana maging 100 years old ka pa. May buhok ka pa. So, good yan. That means, pagtanda ko rin, hindi naman ako kakalbuhin. So, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na I love you and thank you sa lahat. As in, sa lahat. Kasi alam ko naman na nakakapagod everyday, nagkatrabaho ka and stuff. So like, I appreciate your work. So, and happy birthday. Sana more birthdays to come, and also sana may laptop na ako. Thank you so much. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Dad! I love you. I'm so sorry na I can't be there physically. And sorry sa suot ko ngayon. Nag-sneak in lang ako sa loob ng room kasi bawal kami actually sa labas, ay sa loob pag study period. But anyway, you're more important. Want ko lang sabihin na super thankful ako sa'yo for everything you do, for always providing for us, for the family, even though I know na you yourself struggle to parang gusto mo rin na mag-provide syempre sa sarili mo, pero dapat inuuna mo muna yung pamilya, and know na you can indulge in your own interests, in your own hobbies, and whatever makes you happy, because well, it's your money naman, and you don't always have to look out for us. Well, not in the way na we don't need you, but in the way na you raise us to become kids who can stand up for ourselves. And as you can see, here pa lang na we're working hard to strive for a future na you won't have to work or you won't have to lift a bone anymore, because we'll be the ones pampering you instead. And know na the things that we do, a lot of it is dedicated to you, to our family, and it's done in return to everything that you've done for us so far, because we love you so much and we really, really cherish and appreciate everything you've done. I know na sometimes we struggle to express how we feel, but I do hope na you know how much we love you, even if we don't vocalize it that often. Like, I know na parang being a teenage girl, puberty ko ngaya, na parang minsan nahiya na ako mag-express ng affection, pero it's always there, yung affection na I feel ko, yung love na I feel ko sa'yo. I will always be your baby girl, and no matter how older we get, the love that I have for you will always remain, and it will never ever diminish. So know na. And I hope you enjoy your day with the rest of our family. Send pics, send updates, because well, syempre I also want to know how you're doing, and I promise na I will try to update then on my part, because well, I'm sure na parang I can feel your care and your love naman, na you also want to know how I'm doing. And well, the main point is parang I will always remember you. I'll always parang I'll always walk this path thinking of you.